Hi guys, you are watching Go IT Center, and this video is going to be very important because in this video we will see that how we can upgrade our Windows 11 24H2 to 25H2 onto the unsupported hardware. So if your computer is very old, you will not get automatic update, you will not get automatic 25H2 version, and you cannot upgrade it. So you have to do it manually. So I have found a very good website and I'm going to tell you right now. So let's start the video. You can see that my current version is 24H2, Windows 24H2. So I got a very good site where we have the package available, so we have to do it manually, and it is pretty much simple. Just we have to install it and your computer will be restarted and it will be done. Not a big deal. So you have to go onto this website. I will give the link in the description of this website. No need to worry about that. Just you have to copy and paste and then you will get it. So once you on this page, you have to scroll down. At the middle of the page you will get a button of download for 64-bit Intel or AMD. So you have to click. Once you click it, package will be downloaded. Then you have to go onto the download section and then simply you have to double click on it. Once you double click on it, you can see that package will be installed in front of you. You have to apply standalone update, asking for the permission. Yes, granted. So you can see that package is being installed in front of you, and it will be installed shortly. Now it's asking to restart your computer. Once the computer is restarted, you will be on the update of 25H2, means you will have a version of 25H2. So let's restart the computer, and I'm going to stop this video and we'll resume shortly. So system has been restarted and now it is up. So let me show you the version. So you can see that Windows 11 has been successfully updated or upgraded from 24H2 to 25H2. So, and we did it over the unsupported hardware. So no need to worry about that. This is the one of the finest method through which you can upgrade your existing Windows 11 24H2 to 25H2, and you can go for that. There is no hardware restriction and you can upgrade your Windows 11 machine right now. So thank you so much for watching this video. Like, subscribe, hit the bell icon, forward to your family and friends. Stay safe. Bye bye.